Looking for sofa cleaning Doncaster? You've found us. We're your local Doncaster family firm of skilled and highly trained upholstery cleaners. Now when we do a deep clean, it really is a deep clean. We clean fabric upholstery and fabric sofas. We clean leather as well. You'll see that on another page. But rest assured that when you hire us, and don't forget we are local, I mean Doncaster local, we don't advertise somewhere else and then just pop in for a few days when we got a full diary. We're only just down the road. We live in Bentley and we'll go as far as the airport and even as far as Mexborough sometimes, but essentially we're sofa cleaners in Doncaster. So about our training, we've been trained by the National Carpet Cleaners Association, specialists in upholstery cleaning. What more can I tell you? Well, the prices, very important, the prices. Now, you see, the thing is, we believe that people should just see the prices, just be on the website. You know, it's not rocket science. Once you're highly trained and you've got years and years of experience, you pretty much, you can just do it over the phone. Somebody will phone up. Oh, hello, Mrs. Jones. Yeah, you've got a 3-piece suite. That's fabric. Yep, okay. It'll be X amount. Well, the price is right there on the website. You don't need to phone us or anything. Just look at the prices. Once you're happy, give us a tinkle and we'll come and clean your sofa. So, remember the key points. Local. All the prices are on the websites. And we do a really good job. Just look at the Facebook and everything else. So, when you're looking for sofa cleaners in Doncaster, just give us a call.